Alright, so we're going to cook some steaks tonight. Got some tenderloins here. They don't look real pretty right now because they didn't have anything good at Kroger tonight. So had to buy a little prepackaged one with the bacon wrapped around them, and I tore the bacon off of them because we don't like the bacon on our steak. So one of these is pretty rough, but we're going to make them good anyway. So get it kicked around here. Boom. Alright, just a little bit of salt on top of them. Let's see, flip. 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 This little guy is a train wreck. So we're going to put a little salt on this side too. That's really all you're going to do. You can put a little pepper on them. A lot of people don't like to pepper them first, but you can if you want to. Shake that on there, and we'll get ready to put these bad boys in the pan. So along with my little tenderloins here, we're going to cook as a rough-looking T-bone as well. Just one big skillet for him to hang out in, but just soften both sides of that thing, and we'll throw him in the skillet with a little garlic and rosemary and a little bit of butter too, and baste them up. So we'll see if we can get going here. So next thing I did was chop up a little bit of garlic, just get the paper off of it basically. Got some rosemary here, and then got plenty of butter, a little more fat, where we need fat. So got potatoes going. My pan's getting ready to get hot, and we're going to make it happen. Alright, so what we're going to do now is throw these steaks in the skillet, get that oil smoking at a medium-high heat. Try not to burn the house down here, but no guarantees right now. How they love. I don't take these little disasters here and put them in the table. I don't know what that thing is. It looks like a fillet of fish. Alright, so we'll throw a little butter in here, start cooking this stuff off, some garlic. Both these things. And a little more garlic over here. Good. That's delicious. A little rosemary in there with it. Man, oh man, won't know what's in it in a minute. Alright, so all we're doing now is just kind of basting that butter, that rosemary garlic sauce over top of these little bad boys right now. A little fat flavor on top of them. Make them good. Feel like Mama used to make. Man, it smells good. Put a little on this big old bad boy here. Look at that. And the good thing about this butter when you get done with it, it tastes really good on a piece of bread. Man, oh man. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we got these things cooked off a little bit. We're going to throw them in the oven here. About 6 to 8 minutes. Cook them off just the way we want them. And be ready to eat here just directly. Alright, let's pull these things out of the oven and see what we got. We may burn them all the way up. Maybe like a crispy fried piece of bacon. I don't know. Alright. There's our little meat medallions. They ain't big as a minute, but they're going to be good. I'll tell you that. Oh, come out there, River. Big little T-bone. T-bone, too. Alright, he's going to be okay, too. So we're going to put these on the dinner table. We're going to have us a little bit of dinner. Life is good. Alright, so here's the best part of this whole meal once you put it together. You got bread in the oven, some dinner rolls, cooking them up. These pan drippings inside this stuff is the best thing that you've got today. So that cooked up garlic right there with that rosemary in it, got butter in the bottom of it. Both things on this big pan too. And what I like to do is just throw that in a bowl over here. And when you cut that steak up, you drizzle a little bit on top of it, man. It's the best thing you've ever had in your life. Enjoy.